Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a new video for you. Today in this video, I am going to show you modern small kitchen design ideas for your home. Dear viewers, for more interesting videos, please support us, like and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Dear viewers, turn your kitchen into your happy place. No matter its size, it's the heart of the home after all. From cooking healthy family dinners, sitting around the island with friends to organizing, then reorganizing your limited cabinet space. You inevitably spend a lot of time in the kitchen. Just because your kitchen is small does not mean it has to feel small. To help you make the most of your limited space, we have rounded up the best small kitchen ideas. Whether your design style is modern, traditional, or country, even if you are redesigning on a budget, you deserve a kitchen that feels functional and stylish. Make use of every crevice, clear clutter from counters, and decorate blank walls. As you exploring this video of small kitchen decorating ideas, you will find fast and affordable solution like hanging mirrors to create the illusion of more space, layering bold hues to brighten an interior, and adding shelves to take advantages of vertical space. Dear viewers, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video, and also press the bell icon to receive my latest videos. Thank you.